The JP Group, founded in 1967, is an Indian conglomerate with interests in engineering and construction, power, cement, real estate and hospitality. Jai Prakash Associates Limited, the flagship company of the group, has a market cap of $14.1 billion as on January 4, 2008. The group has plans to invest over $10 billion in various projects in cement and the power sector over the next 10 years. The group has been India's biggest builder of hydropower projects in the last 2 decades, having the largest market share in both the EPC as well as the E&C sectors. The philosophy that has allowed the group to grow and flourish over half a century has been one of hard work, professionalism, dreaming big, and having the fortitude and conviction to act and make these dreams take shape into reality. The group has and continues to prove that a company does not have to lose its values to grow, and that social responsibility and corporate growth are not mutually exclusive. Corporate social responsibility assumes importance in each of our implementation plans, with education being the foremost. Today, over 15,000 students are getting education through 19 institutes through the JP Education System. In 1992, the power sector opened up to private companies. Since then, the JP Group has been in the forefront of hydropower construction. The group was the first to undertake build, own, operate projects in the country through the 300 megawatt Baspa 2 power station in Himachal Pradesh, which was commissioned in June 2003. At the time of completion, Baspa 2 was the largest private hydropower station in India. It was also conferred the National Award for Meritorious Performance for 2004-2005 by the Prime Minister of India, exemplifying the group's commitment to excellence. Jai Prakash Power Ventures Limited, a subsidiary of Jai Prakash Associates Limited, is an integrated power company. This company promises a generational capacity of 1400 megawatts by 2011, 2400 megawatts by 2012, and 5600 megawatts by 2016. This generational capacity includes both hydro as well as thermal power. JPVL will also enter into power transmission shortly. The group's expertise in the construction of hydropower projects was demonstrated with a 400 megawatt Vishnu Prayag hydroelectric project in Uttarakhand, which was commissioned 6 months before schedule in 2006. At 915 meters, this project has the highest operating head in the country. Use of cutting-edge engineering technologies such as the coated Pelton impulse turbine, among others, have ensured that the Vishnu Prayag project will generate the highest rated output on a sustainable basis throughout its lifespan. The 2 billion units per year of clean power generated from this project will enable JPVL to earn 15 million VERs per annum. The completion of the 1000 megawatt Karcham Wangtoo project in Himachal Pradesh in the year 2011 will make the group the largest producer of power in the private sector. On its commissioning, Karcham Wangtoo will be the world's first hydropower station, which uses a coated Francis turbine, a modern technology enabling maximum output on a sustained basis. The project will generate an excess of 4 billion units of electricity in a 90% dependable year, with almost 200 megawatts being available as merchant power. The group continues to set the pace in hydropower construction, with Karcham Wangtoo also being 6 months ahead of schedule. JPVL has signed a Memorandum of Agreement for build, own, operate projects in Arunachal Pradesh. This agreement includes the 2025 megawatt Lower Siang project and the 500 megawatt Hairong project. The company has also signed a Memorandum of Agreement with the state of Meghalaya for 2 hydro projects on a build, own, transfer basis. These projects are the 270 megawatt Umgot and the 450 megawatt Kinshi Stage 2 projects. These projects will require an investment of over 18,000 crores, making JP the largest private sector investor in the Northeast. The JP Group, with its vast experience in hydropower, now brings its experience in building and operating large projects to the thermal power sector. Construction of the group's 1000 megawatt pithead-based thermal plant in Madhya Pradesh has already commenced, in addition to the coal block, which has been secured for 35 years for the same. This thermal plant coming up will use supercritical boiler technology, which will ensure improved thermal efficiency, resulting in reduced fuel consumption and carbon emissions. This is in concurrence with the group's consciousness towards its environmental responsibilities. In a constant quest for conquering new frontiers and being pioneers in the power sector in India, we have expanded our responsibilities to include transmission system networks. with the setting up of the JP Power Grid, a joint venture between the Power Grid Corporation of India Limited and Jaiprakash Hydropower Limited. We are forging a public-private partnership that brings together the resources of the government and the private sector in a pact for progress. The 230-kilometer long transmission system will evacuate power from the 1000-megawatt Karcham Wangtoo hydroelectric project. JPVL will be the only power company in the country with a 80-20 hydrothermal mix, of which 40% merchant power generated will be a rewarding investment. As India moves forward in this new century, the possibilities and avenues for growth are endless. There is great potential for development. We are proud of our involvement in key fields like cement, power and real estate, all of which are essential for infrastructure building. We are motivated to do the best we can for our shareholders. We are determined to see the group at the pinnacle of success, carrying the values and ethics that have got us so far. We have time and again demonstrated, the bigger the scale, the greater the challenge, the more driven are we. For when it comes to powering a nation, no dream is too big.